Hello, we are the Yeepers, and today we're checking out the new update. You might be able to see that you're in a small plane, and this is because you are. So, this is the VR headset. If you put it on and you have a camera active, like I do here, then you can see out of it. I can see what you guys are seeing. So, let's get started. I'm gonna fly it. So this is a very interesting update. Oh, because of the plane actually. The plane is a very good tool for seeing where people are if you're a tagger or anything else really. Yeah, let's check out this. So this is the runway. And so you can just place your thingy here and go flying up. And if you learn how to fly this right, you can go straight up, but it's really hard because it keeps turning because of their physics. I do gotta say that physics are really And now, we're back. On your marks, get set, go. So this is just like a little race thingy, I guess. It's not actually one of the races, but it's pretty good, I have to say. Like, I can't lie about that. This update, very good. It also comes with a new pack. I'll show you that once I'm done with this. So, this is the new pack. It's a very interesting pack, I have to say. But, yeah, it comes with a grenade. It's the commando bundle. It also comes with 10,000 butt coins and the outfit, obviously. So, whoopsies. So, that is what is in the new update.